Hi, I'm CZ. I'm the engineer manager of global search team at GitLab. Today, I have Tomas, John, Madelein, Dmitry, and Terri with me. We are going to talk about the features that we are going to do in the GitLab 15.5 milestone. So first of all, we have our newest team member, Madelein, and Siddharth join the team. We'll get more help in the future. We hope we can deliver more exciting features to our users. Okay, so I'll pass to our team members to walk you through the features that we'll be working on in the milestone.
Thank you, CZ. I will take this one. So first thing on the search page is that we are moving navigation from the horizontal tabs to the vertical navigation, and this is first big change. We will be adding more controls on the left side in that sidebar, but this one is coming along nicely. It's stretching across multiple milestones, and it's going to be ready in the next one.
Oh, hi, my name is Terri. The next issue that we're going to be working on is completing the work to add filtering by program language to the code search. The backend work has been completed, and for this milestone, we'll be implementing the front end work as well as performing the rollout of the feature flag in GitLab.com.
Thank you, Terri.
So continuing the topic of facets, we're going to add labels facet for issues. In previous milestones, we've indexed labels for issues, and in this milestone, we're going to introduce new aggregation API and the client side. So that's very exciting.
Thank you, Dmitry.
Hi, so my name is John. What we worked on last milestone was a bit of the design work behind adding users to Elasticsearch. This is a priority for us because we know that user search is a feature at GitLab that is frequently used, and we see an opportunity to have a really big performance boost by indexing users into Elasticsearch instead of using the database. So for this milestone, one of our stretch goals is to work on the backend indexing portion of this so that we start, when users are created or updated, we start indexing them into Elasticsearch.
Okay, thank you, John. I believe these are the features that we're going to work in the next milestone. As the next part is the maintenance work. The maintenance work is about to improve, for example, the performance and probably also some of the usability issues.
Yeah, I can take this one.
Mm-hmm.
Speaking of performance, one of the things that we need to do as part of maintaining GitLab.com Elasticsearch index with a corpus of data that's constantly growing as we scale is to resize our indices and to have an appropriate amount of shards so that we can distribute the load. And we have quite a few indices that we need to re-index into having more shards. For this milestone, I think what we're going to focus on is notes because we're going to see the biggest performance enhancement there. Right now, whenever notes are being searched, it's only being distributed across 2 shards. We're going to change that to 24. So we're going to see a big improvement there. And I could take this one too, CZ. Regarding performance in Elasticsearch, Elasticsearch has a feature where if there is an operation that is running slow, it'll let you know by putting it in the slow log. The API for that changed in major version 8, and so our previous settings were deprecated. So it's just a small minor change of adding that back in so we can maintain and manage any slow operations with Elasticsearch.
Okay. Thank you, John.
I can take this one. So in this milestone, we're going to work on the index lifecycle management policy. So in order to avoid constantly reindexing our indices, we are going to introduce new code that can create new indices automatically. So they will be combined under one alias. That's quite exciting change, and we're going to work on phase 1.
Okay, thank you, Dmitry.
I can take this one. So we are going to start the work of using Rally for Elasticsearch performance testing. The first item is going to be a spike ticket of research where we figure out what steps will get us to have our first Rally custom workload track. We have some ideas from training that we would like to implement here, but yeah, I think the outcome of this is going to be additional issues created that we will be working into future milestones.
Okay, thank you, Terri. I believe these are the maintenance work that we are going to do. Other than the feature and the maintenance work, we are also going to fix a few bugs that we hope to render the better search results and probably improve the usability. I will have Dmitry and Tomas talking about the 2 major issues that we are going to work on.
Right, so this issue is about code search. So we know that sometimes when we have special characters, the results are not there. So we're going to change our analyzers and hope that it will improve our code search quality drastically.
Thank you, Dmitry. I'll pass
I will
to
take this
Tomas.
one. So a few milestones ago, we fixed a regression issue where a long search results in the code search were not wrapping on multiple lines. But this is a follow-up issue where we want to polish this even further. And when we have really long search results, we want to make them a little bit sharper and have just maximum about 1,000 characters. So we will cut them on both sides, trim them around the highlight or around what you're searching for, and offer better search results.
Thank you, Tomas. Other than these 2 major issues that we just talked about, we will also address some of the configuration issues, and also will be addressed some issues in the advanced search syntax, as well as search API instrumentation. The last part is the design. So in 15.5, we will looking into maybe summarize our foundational research results in a blog post. We'll also looking into the design of the user search with Elasticsearch, as well as the code search improvements. Yeah, I believe that's all for the 15.5 planning. Thank you for watching.